Good morning. I woke up with hiccups. Like if I was drunk or something, but I'm not. I have to go to work here in a couple of hours. Anyway, I went through Google and found all kinds of crazy ways to get rid of hiccups. The only thing I found was this. Take a shot of it and then chase it with some plain old water. So this is vinegar, just regular distilled white vinegar. I poured it in a shot glass. Go, 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 go. Shot glass. This is vinegar, right? Look, smell it. Smell it. Smell it, say it. Right? Smells like vinegar, right?
Yeah.
I'm not drunk. I promise you, I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm just, my legs are really hurting me también. Okay, this is the best way that I found out that I can get rid of hiccups. And it's like instantly. So, here we go. Make sure I'm not gonna have a hiccup. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that tastes awful. That tastes awful. Yuck. But since I googled it and this was in there to go ahead and drink, I'm assuming it's okay to drink vinegar. So we drank some for my hiccups. And I chased it down with water. It's not tequila. And this is vinegar. You can just smell it. Smell the vinegar. Whew. Believe it or not, I cleaned the vinegar earlier. I cleaned the floor earlier with this vinegar and it cleaned it very, very, very well. And I cleaned the bathroom too. And I chased it with some water. Well, the bathroom too, I chased it with some water. Now I'm going to chase my body. Because I still have that awful aftertaste of the vinegar. Okay, folks, that's it. And I just wanted to show you that you can use vinegar to get rid of your hiccups. I know I'm talking drunk, but I'm not. I'm just sleepy. It's 2:30 in the morning. And I was in desperate need of getting rid of these hiccups, which it looks like it worked because I have not hiccuped once since I took a shot. So you folks at home, I hope this works for y'all. I mean, you'll finally be able to take a bath, brush your teeth, get your life going, like me, once you get up. If not, I don't know, keep Googling and see what works for you. But this worked for me. Yay.